We're at the Adventure Resort in Wildwood, New Jersey. We have a Dover mod by Kencor. It used to be Dover. Those rails tell me that this was Dover. I'm modded, unfortunately. I like these buttons. Another user has filmed what's an elevator with these buttons. It's coming. Here's the elevator. Hello. Garage. Here we go. So smooth. Here at the garage. Used to be Dover. See, that's the parking garage. Go up to 7. That fan's annoying. Not sure if that's an epic mode or basic. Probably epic. Oh wow, that's a good sounding motor. Too bad I can barely hear it over that stupid fan. 8-story hydraulic. Here at 7. Whoa. Let's look at the call station. Back down to 6. This newer braille. Let's get a cab view. It's a nice elevator. There's Big Brother. Look at this. Look at the mirror. Who do you see? Hi. Some form of GAL. Hands-free ADA code compliant phone. Kencor Incorporated. This 2,000 pounds. Generic PI. Nice cab. There it goes, and that's it.